sleep and thinking better days are a far-off dream. Get up and I move my feet, 'cause I hear music playing. It's gonna be a good, good day. It's gonna be a good, good day. Good, good day. It's a real good day. I think it's finally all gonna roll my way. Rain or shine, no, I don't mind. This day is mine. I'm gonna chase all those gray clouds away. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day.
What's up, everyone? I'm Josh Palma, athlete and product advisor for MasterCraft Boat Company. And today, I'd like to walk you through our revolutionary new surf system, SurfStar. We've been gathering engineering intel and customer feedback regarding your wake surf experience for almost 15 years. It truly dates back to 2009, when we became the first towboat manufacturer to design a device to craft endless waves. We then improved drastically on that initial system with the launch of Gen 2 in 2013. Gen 2 offered a more customizable surf experience and a user interface that helped make the setup process easier. As surfing evolved, we realized that people loved it because it's quite easy to learn and the falls don't hurt. The challenge for many was getting the boat set up correctly to produce a clean, consistent wave on both sides. Gen 2 resolved those challenges. For 2022, we've taken everything we've learned from Gen 1 and Gen 2, and it's culminated with the design and development of the most robust, consistent, and intuitive surf system to date. So how is SurfStar different than its MasterCraft predecessors and the other systems on the market? SurfStar delivers an unparalleled wake surf experience in three primary ways: its strength, accuracy, and ease of use. So starting with number one, SurfStar features military-grade actuators from Parker that are stronger than ever. Parker is the world's leading diversified manufacturer of motion and control technologies. Their actuators are used in a variety of aerospace and industrial applications. Each of these actuators has 3,000 pounds of lift. Second, in addition to being incredibly strong, our new actuators are also more accurate and precise thanks to integrated position sensing technology that's patented by MasterCraft. I often hear from customers, "I found my perfect wave. How do I make sure I can get that wave every time I surf?" Now you can. With this new technology, we use magnetic position sensors to ensure consistency set after set. Third, over time, we've recognized that having the best hardware or actuators on the market is critical. But if that hardware is not paired with simple, intuitive software, it doesn't do much good. Our software is the mesh that holds the system together, and it neatly bundles all our versatility into a clean interface. On our XTs, Xs, and X-Stars, SurfStar provides two distinct experiences: rapid surf and custom surf. To make the process of selecting a wave more intuitive, our engineering team developed Rapid Surf. Here, you'll simply select the wave type you'd like using illustrations that depict wave shape and amplitude, or height. Rapid Surf provides 7 different wave shapes per side. Once you find a wave you like, you can easily save it to your preset menu. This saves your setting with a generic name like Left 6, or you can use the Profile Manager to create a custom name. For those who'd like to take wave customization to the next level, you can switch over to our Custom Surf interface to have full control of speed, ballast, and surf device position. Up to 30 profiles can be saved so that riders can reproduce their ideal wave at the touch of a button. NXTs feature all the same hardware in a simple interface with 2 automated profiles, Surf Left and Surf Right. Thanks for joining me today for a look at SurfStar. If you'd like to see our new system in action, or you'd simply like a little more information, please feel free to stop by your local MasterCraft dealer, hit us up on any of our social platforms, or visit mastercraft.com.